Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng BGC Concrete Batching Plant. We commit and we fulfill.
Last touch on Jocson. Santa Cruz Academy basketball. Number 3, 2 points. Foul has been blown. Foul on number 13, blocking foul. First and you. First team foul on your SCA. Clear block. Santa Cruz basketball. Time to seconds on the shot clock. Now goes at 14. Basket on number 3. Number 7. And number 2 is Santa. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Two points on number 13. Sila lamang ng SCA at 88-73. Up! And sportsmanlike foul po yan.
Basket count.
Bola ng Jocson College. Possession. Foul has been whistled. Foul on number 15, pushing foul. That's your third. Number 15. Third team foul on Santa Cruz. Shot clock remaining at 46 to shoot. Shot clock down to 10. Out of bounds. Turnover. Santa Cruz basketball. Number 2. Number 3. Foul has been blown. Foul committed number. Out of bounds lang. 8 seconds on the shot clock. 8 seconds to shoot. Shot clock remaining at 6 seconds. 6 seconds to shoot. 6 seconds on the shot clock. Last touch on Santa Cruz, Jocson basketball. Last touch on Jocson, Santa Cruz basketball. Last touch, same ball. Shot clock remaining at 10 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 15, 42. Two points on number 12. Timeout has been requested by Jocson College. Score for nothing. 94-73. Back to the ball game. No more timeouts on Jocson College. Foul has been whistled. Foul committed number 13. That's a second on you. Warning for penalty for Santa Cruz Academy of Lubao. Second shot on number 7. Foul has been whistled. Foul on number 12. Dalawa ka na, number 12. Si Vitros on number 34. Number 340. Ten seconds on the shot clock. For two, number 15. number 22. Last touch on Jocson. Same ball. Substitution 12-13 for Santa Cruz. Talking properly, number 1. Ten seconds on the shot clock. Good for 2 on number 14. Foul has been blown. Foul on number 7. Third on you, number 7. Second tip foul. Bonus. Tip throws on number 1. Basket on number 1. Second serve on number 1. Last touch on Santa Cruz. Jocson basketball. For 3, number 34. Last touch on Santa Cruz, Jocson basketball. Miscommunication by Santa Cruz. Number 22, 4-2. Out of bounds, Santa Cruz basketball. Timeout, Santa Cruz Academy of Lubao. Time check 2 minutes and 53 in the last and final quarter. Score for another 101-82. Back to the ball game. Ten seconds on the shot clock. Clear block by number 34. Intercepted. last 2 minutes. Number 3 for 3. Put back on number 14. Injury timeout. Nilabas na yan. Wala nang timeout ang Jocson College. Start na yan, palitan na yan. Basket on number 13. Basket number 4. 2 points on number 11. Thirty seconds. Backcourt violation. Turnover. Jocson College basketball. Basket on number 34. Foul has been whistled. Foul on number 7. Time 9.4 seconds. Winner, Santa Cruz Academy.
Yun po, training lang po ng training sa summer. Tsaka malalapit po kasi na namin, kaya diretso lang po yung training namin. Mahirap po pero pinagtsatsagaan po dahil ito po yung career, ito po yung dream ko po. So, dapat balagi lang po masipag. Magtsaga lang po sa training.
Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng BGC Concrete Batching Plant. We commit and we fulfill.